Today, we will talk about how to paint stain cabinets. Let's have a look at the details. Painting your cabinets can give them a fresh look, but if the cabinets have already been stained, you'll have to do a little prep to get the paint to adhere. First, you'll need to strip the stain off of your cabinet surfaces before applying primer and paint. Once you've done that, use a primer or putty to prep your wood for painting. Then apply your top coat. Remember to always take the proper safety precautions by wearing a dust mask or respirator when working with oil-based paints and primers. The first step is cleaning and prepping your cabinets. Remove all appliances and containers from your countertop. Before you do anything, remove everything from your countertops to make cleaning, stripping, and painting easier. Clean your cabinets by wiping them down with a damp cloth. Put a little bit of warm water on a clean cloth and wring out the excess water. Rub every exterior section of your cabinets to remove any dust, dirt, or grime. Add 1 to 2 drops of mild dish soap to the cloth if you have trouble cleaning any particularly dirty areas. Wipe your cabinets dry and let them air out. Use a clean cloth to rub your cabinets dry. Rub in the direction of the grain to avoid missing indentations in the wood. Once every cabinet surface is dry, open a window and let the cabinets air out for 3 to 4 hours. Remove and label every door and drawer. This way, when it comes to reinstalling the drawers and doors, you won't need to worry about trying to find the right space for each door or drawer. Lay drop cloths down on your countertop and floor. Set out 1 drop cloth on top of your counters and 1 drop cloth on the floor along your toe kicker baseboard. This will prevent primer, wood dust, or paint from getting on your counters or kitchen floor. The second step is stripping and sanding the cabinets. Put on a dust mask or respirator and a thick pair of gloves. The fumes in most stripping agents, lacquer thinners, and primers are lung irritants. Prevent damage to your lungs by wearing a thick dust mask or respirator. Apply a gel or liquid stripping agent to your cabinets with a natural brush. Wood strippers can be purchased at a local hardware store or online. Set a bucket or pan underneath the area that you're going to scrape. Scrape the varnish or stain away with a scraper or putty knife. Use lacquer thinner and steel wool to scrub the cabinets. Scrub each section until you see no stripping agent remaining on the wood. Wipe your cabinets dry with paper towels or a clean cloth. After you've removed the majority of the lacquer, let your cabinets air dry for 6 to 12 hours. Sand your cabinets using a 220 grit sandpaper or extra fine sponge. Vacuum the debris. Then wipe your cabinets down with a dry cloth to remove any remaining splinters, dust, or debris. The third step is priming your cabinets. Tape any edges that you want to keep dry using painter's tape. Pour 2.8 liter of oil-based primer or putty into a paint tray. Apply your primer to each cabinet and door with a roller and brush. Prime your cabinet frames and wait for them to dry. And the fourth step is painting the cabinets. Sand your cabinets again with 220 grit sandpaper. Choose a latex or oil-based gloss paint for your top coat. Select a color that you want and choose a latex paint if you want a uniform finish. Pour 2.8 liter of your paint into a clean paint tray. Apply paint to the drawers and doors using a brush and roller. Paint the cabinet frames with the same brush and roller. Use the same brush and roller to ensure that your paint's texture is the same on your drawers, doors, and frame. Let your paint air dry for at least 24 hours before handling anything. Reinstall your doors and drawers and clean up. Sweep your floors with a broom and put everything back to enjoy your new cabinets. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.